My name is Courtney Hester. In this clip, we're going to be making an angel using a flat slotted clothespin. We'll need our flat slotted clothespin here first. Then we're going to take a tiny wood stick and cut it in half for the arms. Once we've cut it in half, we're going to glue it on the sides for the arms. Glue one on this side at a slant. Next, we're going to do the dress. We're going to put a dot of glue on the back towards the top. And we're going to stick one end of our yarn in the glue. Then we're going to begin to wrap it around the clothespin, nice and tight. We're going to start to go around the arms, and then we're going to switch and start going underneath the arms. Now that we've wrapped all the way down to the bottom, we'll want to attach or put a dot of glue on the back to attach the other end to hold this in place. The next thing we're going to need to do is wrap the arms in yarn. So again, we'll start at the back and put a dot of glue. We'll attach the piece of yarn towards the back and we'll wrap the arms just like we did the body. And we will do this for both arms. Now that we have wrapped both arms, we're going to take our gold cord to make a belt. Again, we're going to take our gold cord, and again, just like we did with the yarn, we're going to add a dab of glue to the back. Affix the cord and just wrap around a couple of times and then attach in the back. Now our angel has her belt. The next thing we're going to do is use our felt to make some wings. I have already cut out my wings. I just freehanded these, or you could find a pattern. I'm going to add a dab of glue on the back to attach our wings. Now our angel has her wings. The next thing we need to do is do her hair. For the hair, we're going to take the yarn in our hand and make some loops back and forth. We're going to give her white, long, flowing hair. If you wanted to give her curly hair, you could make this kind of curly and put glue all over. Once we've cut the loops, we're going to glue this to the top of her head. Now our angel has her hair. Now we need to add some eyes using our marker.